Well, that's a great question. It was a complete accident. I never set out to be a scientist. I just happened to have a great professor of environmental chemistry when I was an undergrad, and he was really inspiring. And I became passionate about understanding the Earth and humans' impact on the Earth and how we can do a better job as stewards. In terms of being a scientist, I've been working for the last few decades on understanding what that means and how to be a good scientist. That's a tougher thing, but I always knew since I was an undergrad that I wanted to help the Earth. I'm Paul Shepson. I'm a professor in the departments of chemistry and earth and atmospheric sciences at Purdue. What I like to do with my students is what my environmental chemistry professor did for me, and that is to be inspiring. But we do that through our research. My research is about understanding what goes up must come down applied to greenhouse gases. We try to understand where greenhouse gases come from and where they go and how much stays in the atmosphere. It's important to understand that every person on the planet, and there are more than 7 billion of us, can have a really big impact on the quality of life for everybody else. Your life can be important. So it matters a great deal if at university you become inspired to pick a path in life that really matters, that you learn that it's not all just about getting a job and feeding yourself. You can do that and a lot more. That really matters. What is one thing that everyone should know about climate change? I am so glad you asked that question. This is easy. The one thing is we can do this. We can solve this problem. We know how to solve this problem. We stop emitting carbon dioxide. We can do that by investing in renewable energy, using the sorts of talent that we have at places like Purdue University to develop new and more efficient and better ways to make energy available to everyone on the planet. When people tell you that that's too hard, it's going to cost us money, they're wrong. Making solutions to this problem will help with the creation of wealth and make the Earth a better place, and doing so will be exciting. Maintaining the status quo for the Earth is not exciting, it's not inspiring, and this is a problem that we can solve, and we will. That's exciting.